Well, good morning, everybody. This is the beginning of day 5. It's going to be a short day. We took the jaunt, which is a long jaunt, hard jaunt, down from the shelter to Ginger Spring, and it's a seasonal spring here. So it's one of those dippers. You got to kind of dip out of it, but it's coming right out of the ground, good and fresh. Today is about a 3.5, Jesse?
Yeah.
About 3.5 down into Front Royal. We'll go to the Mountain Cabin Hostel, and they spell the cabin with 2 B's on purpose because I guess in the old journals that's how it was spelled. It's a converted, I guess, Southern slave quarters. That's what I was told. So we'll stay there in the night. The thunderstorms that were supposed to come in tomorrow are not, but they're going to come in the next day. So we'll have to do an assessment and see what we want to do. All right, guess what I want to do, because Jesse's going home. He's going to eat steak and hamburger roll the next couple of days as he travels, and I keep eating my mashed potatoes and eating my pepperoni sticks. Anyway, that's what was for breakfast today, since we didn't have any water. So we're just eating some of our snacks here for breakfast. All right, let's go hike on. We'll see you later. Say bye, Jesse.
Ciao.
It's a beautiful morning. Birds are singing. Coming out of altitude here down to Virginia 602, and things are greening up a little bit. Foliage is starting to leaf out. Somebody had fun building this trail, making a snake around here. Not a bad way to descend. All right, hopefully we'll have some more later.